Master Station, a designated gathering point for crew members during emergencies. Position on the boat deck or upper deck. Stocked with necessary safety equipment. Emergency procedures. Fire alarm. Contain the fire, evacuate, and report to Master Station. General alarm. Cease on essential tasks. Head to Master Station and get ready for emergency action. Abandon ship alarm. Go to Master Station, put on life jackets, and board lifeboats. Man overboard. Deploy life rings, sound the alarm, and prepare the rescue boat. CO2 alarm. Leave the area, report to the alarm, and use SCBA if needed. Engineer call. Go to the engine room, assess the issue, and take action. Cargo hold flooding. Control the flooding, activate the alarm, and prepare for emergency action. Pollution prevention. Report spills, contain them, and inform nearby vessel and authorities. Engine room flooding. Contain the flooding, activate the alarm, and prepare for emergency action. Importance of training and drills. Knowledge of emergency procedures, effective communication, teamwork and coordination, equipment handling, preparedness for emergencies, fastest response time, better decision making, increased situational awareness, regulatory compliance.